Hello everyone, welcome to the second class of addition. Today we will learn addition where carryover is involved. Addition means putting things together or combining things. This we have already learnt in our earlier video. So this is only for the revision purpose. For adding more than one digit number, we align the digits of the number by their place value and we start addition from the rightmost column. Means we start adding unit place first, then we move on to tens place, and then we move to hundred place, and accordingly we keep moving towards left place values. Here we have to add 3, 5 and 4. We will solve this problem by drawing the lines equivalent to the number. For 3 we have drawn 3 lines, for 5 we have drawn 5 lines, and for 4 we have drawn 4 lines. So for addition we do the forward counting. Here how many lines we have put together? So put together we have 12 lines. So the answer will be 12. Let's learn how addition problem with carryover can be solved. Here we have to add 36 and 45. So step 1, we will realign digits as per their place value. At ones place we have 6 and 5. So we'll draw lines equivalent to the number and we'll do forward counting from larger number up to the places of a smaller number. By adding 6 and 5 we got 11, which is a 2-digit number. So again we will realign that into tens place and ones place. We will keep digit of ones place and digit at tens place will be carry forwarded. Now we have 3 digits at tens place, 3, 4 and 1. By adding all 3 digits, how much we get? So by adding 1, 3 and 4, we got 8. Now we will move summation of both the places to their respective place and we get the answer 81 by adding up 36 and 45. What we need to remember while solving the carryover problems. So the first thing, always the digit at tens place will be carry forward to the immediate left place. Also, carry over number cannot be more than 1. It's always 1. So we always carry over 1 to the left place. Here is another example of addition of 3-digit number where carryover is involved. So firstly, we will realign the digits as per their places. So we have 6 and 7 at ones place, 2 and 7 at tens place, 1 and 3 at hundred place. We will start addition from ones place. So at ones place we have 6 and 7. By adding 6 and 7 we get 13. So the addition here is 13, which is a 2-digit number. So we'll keep the digit at ones place and digit at tens place will be carried forward to the next left place. Now we have three digits at tens place, 1, 2 and 7. And by adding 1, 2 and 7, how much we got? We got 10, which is again a 2-digit number. So what we will do? We'll keep digit at ones place and carry over the digit of tens place to the next place. So 1 will get carried over to the left hand side place. Similarly, now we have 3 digits at 100 place, 1, 3 and 5. By adding 1, 3 and 5, we get 5. So by adding digits, what we got? We got 3 at ones place, 0 at tens place and 5 at 100 place. We'll put the same and what the answer will get? We'll get 503, means 503. So if we align digits and carry forward tens place to the left place, the carryover summation or the addition becomes easier. And we have to add 3 numbers. Let's try doing it on a fingertip. First number is 42, second is 36 and third number is 45. So what we have learned, we'll first realign the numbers as per their places and start addition from ones place. So at ones place we have 2, 6 and 5. By adding 2, 6 and 5, what we get? We get 13, which is a 2-digit number. What is at tens place? In 13, tens place number is 1. But we have learned so far that always 1 will be carried over. The carryover number cannot be greater than 1. So 1 is carried over to the tens place and we keep 3 at ones place. Now we have 4 digits at tens place, which is 1, 4, 3 and 4. So by adding 1, 4 we get 5, 5 plus 3 we get 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 4 we get 9, 10, 11, 12. We will put 12 at tens place. So the answer we get is 123. Here are certain tips which we need to remember. First, tens place value will be carried over always. Carryover will always from left to right place. And carryover value will always be 1. It cannot be greater than or less than 1. It will always be 1. The normal course we will get subtraction in our next video. Thank you and keep watching and keep subscribing.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below the video.